It's DEWALT's new compact circular saw, redesigned to be one of the lightest circular saws in its class and job site tough. At only 8.8 pounds, the new compact circular saw is light, designed for control on the job site and to help reduce user fatigue. It's also compact, completely redesigned with ergonomic handles and a built-in dust blower. Looking for performance? This saw has it. With a 15-amp motor, it provides plenty of power in a compact size and very smooth cutting performance, even through dense materials. The bevel mechanism allows for 57-degree bevel capacity, and with a 2 9/16 inch depth of cut capacity, it will cut a 2x material at 57 degrees in one pass. The anti-snag lower guard geometry allows for smooth operation at a wide variety of angles, making it easy to use in advanced cutting applications. DEWALT tools are known for their durability. The compact circular saw features a new ball bearing lower guard, which provides long life even in dusty environments. The tough cord system provides 12 times better resistance against cord pullout. This system strengthens the connection between the tool and cord for longer life and durability. Experience the new standard in circular saw performance. It's the new top-handled circular saw, only from DEWALT. Guaranteed tough.